Hello everyone, this is Sonal. Today I am going to tell you a story. The name of the story is Greedy Dog. Once upon a time, a dog was very hungry. He walked here and there looking for a food. At last he got a piece of bone. He kept the bone in his mouth. He looked for a safe place to eat the bone. On the way, he had to cross a small pond. The dog looked down. He saw his image in the water. He thought it was another dog, and he wanted the other bone too. He barked at the dog. Bo, 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 bo. The bone in his mouth fell into the water. He was very sad, and he walked home with nothing to eat. The moral of the story is, don't be greedy. The moral of the story is, don't be greedy.